I'm surprised most people don't know this trick, but what surprised me the most was the final result. After watching this video, you will too. This trick is cleaning the sink in a new way. Stay with me, let's go.